Greetings, this is Ms. Kingsley, and this video is for 3rd grade. I'll be going over Mountain Math Set 7, problems number 1 and 2. So the idea with these is always that you do them first before I show you the answer. So if you need to, you can pause the screen when it is on the problem before I go over it. So let's get started. So this is problem number 1. It says write the number 122. Circle if it's even or odd. As you might remember, we care about the digit in the ones place to tell us whether the whole number is even or odd. And if that digit is even, then the whole number is even. And 2 is even, so we're going to circle even. Word form is just like it sounds, 122. Okay, expanded form, we're going to put the value for what's in each place value. So this is 100 plus 20 plus 2. And you add those together and you get 122. We're going to put our number in here and we have 4 different things we're filling in. 100 more. We're going to add 100 in the hundreds column and get 222. Now look what happens if we take away 100. All that we have left is 22. All right. Now 10 more, we're looking at the tens place. So this is 122. 10 more than 20 is 10, 10, 20, 30. So this is 132. And if we take away 10 from 20, we have 112 in total. So our 20 goes down to a 10 in the tens place, or a 1 in the tens place, excuse me. Okay, what is the value of the underlying number? You may not be able to see it on the screen, but the underlying number is the middle one. And the value in that, this is our ones place, tens place, hundreds place. So in our tens place, the value of that 2 is 20, showing that it's really 2 tens. Now we're going to find the number on the number line and round to the nearest 10. So we're going to go after 100 and look at these hash marks and see that each of these are worth 10. So it goes 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So we're going to go just past 120, and my number would go about there. Now it's hard to see from that number line which 10 it would round to. So I'm going to come over here and do that our other way, where we underline the tens place, circle the number next to us, and tell us, does it stay the same or go up? Well, it stays the same. So rounded to the nearest 10, 122 becomes 120. If we round to the nearest 100, we can do this by looking at our number line and say, is it closer to 100 or is it closer to 200? Say it out loud. Yep, it's closer to 100. Okay. Let's see. And if we did it this way, we could also do it that way, where we'd underline this, circle the number next to it, and it would tell us to stay the same, and we'd get to the same answer. Okay, let's do number 2. There we go. All right. Write the problem and add, right? So we're taking 827 and we're adding 53. And it looks like we're going to do some regrouping in this addition problem. So 7 plus 3 is 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 10 here, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 5 is 8. Bring down the 8, and our final answer is 880. Write the problem and subtract. 827, take away 53, and let's see what happens. So we have 7 take away 3. We could also count up from 3 to 7. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers do I have up? Say it out loud. Yes, 4. That is my difference. Now, if I only have 2 cookies, I can't take away 5 in whole numbers. So we're going to have to go next door, knock on the door, and borrow one. And this 7, 8 becomes a 7, and it has now loaned one over to this 2, and we'll call that 12, take away 5. So let's count up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers am I holding up? Say it out loud. Yes, 7. So I have 7 here, and now I bring down my 7 because this is like an imaginary 0 there. And my final answer is 774. Okay, so that is the end of this video, and I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you for the next one.